हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑन GDI क्रिएटिव स्किल्स एंड आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम द स्टोरीज. So let's start. One day, a rich man decided to take his son on a trip to the country. The wealthy man wanted to show his son how the poor people live, so he could be thankful for his wealth. They spent 2 days on a farm of a very poor family. On their way home, the rich man asked his son, "How was our trip with this poor family and what did you learn?" The son answered, "I saw that we have servants to serve us, but they serve others. We have one dog and they have four. We have imported lanterns in our gardens and they have stars at night. We buy our food, but they grow theirs. We have a big pool in our garden, but they a creek that has no end. We have large walls to protect us, and they have friends to protect them." Finally, the son added, "Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are."